In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use emojis in tasks, projects, and filters on Todoist. Adding emojis can make your Todoist list not only more visually appealing, but also help you categorize and prioritize your tasks with ease. Emojis can add personality and clarity to your organization system, making it much more engaging. Let's go through the simple process of integrating emojis into your Todoist workflow. First, let's start by opening your web browser. Go ahead and type in app.todoist.com/login. This will direct you to the Todoist login page. Once you're there, you'll need to enter your credentials. If you already have a Todoist account, start by typing your email address into the designated field. Be sure to enter the complete email that you signed up with to avoid any hiccups while logging in. Once your email is in, move on to the password field. Enter your password carefully, ensuring there are no typos that might lead to a login error. If you find it more convenient, you can also choose to log in using your Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts. This can be a quicker alternative if you prefer using single sign-on options. Now that you're logged in, let's get into the fun part, using emojis in your tasks. When you want to create a new task, or perhaps edit an existing one, all you have to do is paste your chosen emoji right into the task title field. For example, you might use a star emoji for tasks that you consider important, or a check mark for tasks that need verification. This small addition can make your to-do list much more intuitive and glanceable. Moving on to projects, adding emojis can help further categorize or personalize your project lists. While you're creating or editing a project, simply paste your emoji into the project name field. This way you can visually differentiate between work projects, personal ones, or even those related to hobbies all at a glance. For instance, a book emoji could indicate a reading list project, or use a briefcase emoji for work-related projects. Lastly, let's talk about filters. When you're setting up a new filter or editing an existing one, feel free to include an emoji in the filter query. This can be particularly handy for quickly recognizing certain filters amidst a complex organizational system. For instance, a clock emoji might signify any time-sensitive filters you have set up, and there you have it. Introducing emojis into your Todoist can make a significant difference in how you manage your tasks, projects, and filters. Not only does it make the interaction more enjoyable, but it also enhances productivity by making your lists easier to parse. So go ahead, start adding those emojis, and watch how your productivity tool transforms into something more vibrant and efficient. Happy organizing!